Big news coming out of Lamborghini this week. The Revuelto, the Aventador replacement, is finally here. This is one of the spy shots from earlier this year. We weren't exactly sure how it was going to look yet. We're going to take a quick look at the launch video.
To combine the sound of the engine with the light of a new beginning. Thunder and lightning finally together. Introducing the high-performance electrified vehicle. We accelerate toward the electric age with the roar of our history. Lamborghini Revuelto, from now on.
This car looks incredible. It's unmistakably a Lamborghini. It has that beautiful Lamborghini silhouette. They kept the naturally aspirated V12, which everybody's happy about, and they connected 3 electric motors that power the front wheels to it. Love the silhouette, love the lights. The offset looks great. It's just a great looking car. Great looking car. And I heard they're sold out already. What the hell, for 2 years? Taking a look on the interior, you have a larger screen in the center, but it's not awkward, it's not tacked onto the dash, it looks elegant. And the passenger side has a screen for the first time as well. You're also getting tech that was only available in the Urus is now available in the Revuelto, which is pretty cool. The transmission is now an 8-speed double clutch, updating from the old school single clutch. So that's going to make this thing even faster as well. It should really pick up the speed with the effortless gear changes. And the rear, you can see the exhaust sits up a bit higher. The rear diffuser's pretty menacing. The Lamborghini taillights look just right on this car. I've heard it's sold out already for 2 years. Can you believe that? Already sold out for 2 years. So what do you guys think? Do you like this car? Do you like it better than the Aventador? Do you think it's going to be a game changer for supercars and hypercars? Comment below. I want to know what your thoughts are. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I'll see you next time, guys. Like and subscribe for more.